is a ACA hurricane. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna do that. Alright, so today's video we have a siren UAV. Right behind me is an ACA hurricane. One of probably my top 10 most favorite. And then this one, you don't realize what she is doing. But a lot of thunderbolt going on. And there's that. I don't know what that is. Thunderbolt. Here. That one. And then there's an old EWS.